The next problem statement is to understand the difference between string length function and size of. To understand the difference between string length function and size of. So let us see this particular code. So I am taking the length. We got the length of the string, and let me type one more statement here. Printf the size of str is. So this will also return an integer value. So I am writing %d. Here I am writing size of followed by the given string str. Size of followed by string. Now let me execute this code and check what is the difference between string length and size of. So I am entering the string as good. So you can see here the length of the string good is 4 characters. So it is giving me 4. And if you can see here, the size of str is 30. So how you got this 30 is, as I have specified, the number of the size in the array subscript is 30. So that size I have got it. And here we have specified the data type called char. That is the reason we got 30. So here totally str identifier will take 30 bytes. So char data type will take 1 byte memory. So here 30 in the sense it takes 30 bytes. So what is the difference here is string length will give the actual length of the string, whereas size of will give the data type size, and whatever the value whichever you specified in the subscript. So it takes the number of bytes and it gives it. Just as a test case, as one more test case, if I am giving here int some a of 20, int a of 20, just for your reference, this is nowhere related to the strings, but if I am giving int a of 20 and if I am writing the size of a, the size of a is, so if I am giving a here, now it will be giving 20 into 4 because integer will take 4 bytes. Here char is taking 1 byte, that is the reason we got 1 into 30. Now if you are taking int a of 20, then integer will take 4 bytes of memory. Now 4 into 20 such bytes, that is 80. So totally you will be getting 80. Just I will run this. Now just I will take some string. So you can see here the length of the string is 5. So length of the string is 5. Next, the size of a, as a is an integer data type, integer holds 4 bytes. 4 into 20, that is 80. We got 80 bytes. So I hope you understood the difference between string length and size of. So string length will give the actual length of the string, whereas size of will give the data type size multiplied by the content whatever you write in the subscript. The next program to understand the difference between string length function and length controlled string manipulation function is strnlen. strnlen. So what is the difference between these two functions? Now you can see here the representation of string length is strlen and the representation of length controlled string function is strnlen. So what is the difference is, I am specifying the limitation, that is the maximum length of the string. So I'll be giving the maximum length of the string is 20. So beyond 20, even though there are some characters, it will never consider in the length of the string, and beyond 10 it will never consider. Let me execute and show you with a different test case. So let me execute this code. So if I am giving my string as welcome to Virtulearn, welcome to Virtulearn. Now if you take this, the length of the string is 23 characters. The length of the string is 23 characters. Now here, if you can see this printf statement, the maximum length of the string when it is 20. So I am giving the size here as 20. So it will be returning me till 20 itself. So beyond that there are 3 characters, it is not considering in the maximum length. So I am controlling the length of the string, the value I am controlling over here. Next, the maximum length of the string when it is 10. So when it is 10 is 10, right? Now let me execute with a test case which follows less than 20 or less than 10. Now let me execute the code that is less than 20. So if I am saying very good morning, so the length of the string is 17. The length of the string is 17. The maximum length of the string when it is 20. So it is less than 20, that is the reason I am getting 17. And it is greater than 10, that is the reason I am getting the maximum length as 10 itself. Now let me execute one string with less than 10 characters. Hello, the length of the string is 5. Now you can see here the maximum length of the string when it is 20 is 5 and the maximum length of the string when it is 10 is 5. So this is how you can understand the difference between string length and length controlled string function, that is strnlen.